Hey everyone, wanted to do our giveaway for last month's e-newsletter that was on the updates with V18. It was the top 3 highlights of version 18 with the TIA portal. So we've got a little golf kit here with a backpack, golf towel, green repair tool, umbrella, golf balls. So we're going to go ahead and do that drawing right now. The quiz question was, what determines the maximum data capacity of the new long-term trace functionality? And the answer is, for the long-term trace, it's dependent on your hard drive on your PC, so you could fill that up if you wanted to, or maybe even if you limited a directory size. That's really your only limit, so you can go for a long amount of time based on that capacity. So we've got a whole bunch of correct answers here, and Candace has the random number generator.
I will pick a number. Number 18.
Number 18. That would be Adam from Entrust Manufacturing. Adam, congratulations. We'll get in contact shortly and get you your prize.